Here I have Motorola Defy, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo or motion photo or active photo, call it as you want. On this device it's called active photo, I guess. Yeah. So firstly you have to open camera, then when you're in the normal photo mode, just tap on this icon here and you can enable active photo, set it to be auto, enable it or disable it, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.